What up, guys? Knowledge of Health here. Just want to go over checking the market real quick. So, news today, Bitcoin just briefly tapped an all-time high. So, pretty much 99% of people that are into Bitcoin have made money basically by this point. Here's a little comparison between the CBDC and the Bitcoin. You can go ahead and pause and read that if you want, just to kind of show some of the differences. Here's a screenshot here of earlier today. All right. Let's go into some of the stocks I've been buying. I've been buying GUT, G-U-T. This is a utility ETF. Let's check the charts here. We've had it go way down and you see it going sideways. That's an accumulation phase. This has a bunch of utility stocks in it. It pays a dividend. I wanted to get some dividend income. So my current philosophy in investing, I have 3 goals. The number 1 goal of anything is growth. My number 2 goal is dividend income, to build that up. And of third order importance, it is getting stocks that are undervalued. So those are the top 3 in order of what's more important to me. So I do like to get some dividend stuff. That way I have income I can roll into other stocks if they're down. I have purchased Snowflake. This is an AI stock. You see it going down and it's trying to pop up here. Right now it's at 118.39. I bought it at 118.06. It is undervalued. The true value is 187. This is an AI company founded in 2012. Snowflake is a data lake warehousing and sharing company that came public in 2020. To date, the company has over 3,000 customers, including 30% of the Fortune 500 as its customers. Snowflake Data Lake stores unstructured and semi-structured data that can be used in analytics to create insights stored in its data warehouse. Snowflake's data sharing capability allows enterprises to easily buy and ingest data with almost instantaneously compared with a traditional months-long process. Overall, the company is known for the fact that all of its data solutions can be hosted on various public clouds. So yeah, I feel like might as well take a shot in this one. Basically, data cloud. I know it has something to do with AI as well. It has an increase of 29% revenue. So yeah, not too bad. And it's undervalued. All right. Just adding to the usual big Magnificent Seven tech companies, Amazon and Google. Apple is one I've been adding to a little bit lately, just a little here and there. That is a stock that has performed well. It's in the SCHD dividend fund. So I'm trying that one out. I bought it around 25. I thought it was going to start going up, and it's kind of gone down, but it has a dividend. It has a very low P/E ratio. So I ran across this one on like an article. So it was convincing to me, but yeah, I've just been buying a little shares here and there. All right, Tesla went up huge. I trimmed 0.6799 of a share the other day. This is at 268. Let's see where it's at now. Yeah, I bought some, I think around 220, not like just a couple days before that. So had to trim a little bit because you can see it just bounced way up here. It's at 259 now. So yeah, I trimmed a little at 268. So yeah, I'm long-term Tesla. They what happened was they had a good revenue earnings call, that's what it's called. So yeah, they did pretty well with earnings. I'm real long-term on this one. I will predict 350 a share within maybe 2 years. We'll see. AMD I added a little bit to the other day at 158. Let's check out AMD. Yeah, it's trying to break out here. It's at 166. So yeah. I feel like you can't go wrong with some of the tech and semiconductor stuff myself, so SoFi, I was trimming some. Let's check that out. I think I trimmed some. I trimmed a handful of shares, I guess, just on different days, but that one there was showing 11 something. Yeah, you can see it just like popped up way high lately. So yeah, once that RSI gets high, I'll be trimming shares of things usually, if I have enough of them. I don't want to get rid of everything. All right. That's about it. Let's see the TMF. This was a trade I was in. I got stopped out on, so that's why I sold. Let's check out the chart on TMF really quick. It happens, guys. Sometimes you make money on the trades. Yeah, see, I put my lines here. It broke down below, so maybe if I have money at the time, I might get back in. In my house fund, I have the TLT. The TMF is just the triple leverage of that, which is more for like trading. So in my house fund, I have a lot of TLT. And it's not been doing too good, but once it looks like it's going to reverse, I'll add some more for sure. Let's see. Yeah, here's another thing I wanted to show you guys. My stocks this is just the last 3 months. Let me explain real quick. Uh, for a long time I had my house fund, which was like 65 to 70% in with the same fund with my stocks. So it locked in all my gains at like 5%. So, yeah, a few months ago, I moved it to a different fund so that I could show that, like, hey, I'm trying to beat the market. And it looks like I'm above it now, beating all the Dow Jones, NASDAQ, everything. This is just within the last 3 months. So, but before that, I was also beating the market. Um, like you can see, it goes up and down. I'm not like always, but the year before I added all that, it was kind of similar. Like in general, I was beating it. Sometimes it's kind of close with things, but yeah, I just decided to check that the other day. So yeah, that's gonna be my main goal. I feel like, cause yeah, that's the name of this program. Beat the market. That's what I want to do. So it is possible. But yeah, right here you can see I'm like beating the market as of the last 3 months. If I went for the past year, like it looks like kind of flat but slowly going up, a little flatter. It's because most of my money was in like what's my house savings. So yeah, I switched that over about 3 months ago just to get it an accurate depiction here on my performance. So I totally believe I can beat it here. It is possible. And I'm just going to get better with time on how I trade, how I research things. So I believe it'll be better with time. I'm looking forward to like a year from now to see how this is. I believe it will beat the market, or at least be like hand in hand with like the top thing here. So, yeah. Alrighty, guys. I think that's all I have for today. Alright, peace.